So this is part two, Biz Bit moment, part two of the Journey Weekend. Today we kicked off earlier with an amazing group of students. About 55 diverse students from Port-au-Prince, high schoolers already applying to college, those that have been accepted and so on. It's been a great experience. 55 students in an awesome space where they're learning. We just completed goal setting. We're going into time management. We also talked about taking action, and then we're going to close today with some amazing development, sharing, exploring, and so on. And we're still going to teach them how to discover their strengths, their assets, as well as their action plan. They're going to learn about clicks. In this case, I mentioned this in my Biz Bits before, being creative, leadership, knowledge capital, innovation, very important, right? And so on. And building knowledge capital is important because a lot of these kids are extremely talented, but they don't know the power of that intellectual capital and knowledge capital that they have. And that's what we're going to be talking about next. Hey, look, the class starts in 5 minutes. As always, I gotta rush. This is a Biz Bit moment. Take care.